Yo, what is up today, YouTubians? Berkshire Blades here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to do a little bit of a first impressions video on this new SENCUT knife. This is the SENCUT Glenspar 9CR18 MOV blade and shredded G10 scales, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm going to check it out. I think this is going to be a really nice budget knife. This is a crossbar lock, and it seemed like it's a really good size. I think it's somewhere around 8-inch overall length. Which I think is awesome. That's kind of like my preferred pocket knife size, 7.5 to 8 inches. I don't mind bigger or smaller, but I like an 8-inch knife. So this is, I like how they obviously send you the pouch. What do you got in here? It's a nice little furry lined pouch, which I think is cool. SENCUT Bronte sticker, microfiber cloth, paperwork. Let's see, here we go. Let's get into this thing and check it out. Got a little bit of stuff on it, a little oil. Wipe it off quick. Hold on. At least you know they're oiling it at the factory, so you can't get mad at that. So let's take a look at the shredded G10 scales. I think that's really cool looking. I do. Like, again, first impressions, I think it's a good looking knife. I like the profile of the handle on it. It's not too thick. I'm going to do a full review on this down the road after I carry it for a little bit, but just checking it out now. Reversible deep carry pocket clip. I don't mind a medium-sized pocket clip. I don't want like some honking thing on there. I don't hate the mini ones, but I think the mini one or the medium-sized ones give me a little bit more confidence when it's in my pocket that it's not going to fall out and I'm going to lose it. It's got a blade fuller on there for reverse flick, thumb studs on both sides. The milling on the crossbar lock, you can feel it. It's not aggressive. It doesn't stick out very far. I think that's actually really good. It's not so recessed that you can't get your fingers on it, but it's also not sticking out a mile either. So let's check out the action. Bam. Let's wipe the blade down first before I show you. So yeah, there it is. I just want to make sure I'm not lying to you. It is a 9CR18 MOV blade. It's a good looking blade on there. It's got a nice belly to it, nice and long, 4-finger choil so you can choke up on it. It's got some medium jimping on the back. It's nice and grippy though. I like that a lot. Fine jimping is kind of my preference, but I don't mind the medium jimping. The blade shape's really cool. It's got like this little kind of a cutout swedge where the blade fuller comes down. It gives it like a really neat profile from the top of it. Let's see. Oh, the action's great. Drop shut, very nice. You can feel the blade. It's like a decently weighted blade. It shuts great, man. I have no complaints about that. See how the reverse flick. Oh, missed that one. That's my fault. There it goes. Yeah, so you can reverse flick it with the fuller. Yeah, let's see if I can upside down flick this one. Bam. Yeah, absolutely. So this is nice, man. I don't hate this at all. This is, I think, a $40 knife, $38 knife. This is the second SENCUT I've ever checked out. And I really like the first one. I like how, what is that called? I'm having a brain fart where you can see the scales from the front. Shadowing? I forget. Let me know in the comments. I forget what it's called. I don't, God, man, I'm getting old. Ha! I can't remember. But it looks nice, man. It's a nice looking knife. I like how the, shredded carbon just really shredded G10 really just offsets the blade nicely. I think it's a good looking knife. I like the cutout for your finger up here. It fits the hand really well, right where the jimping is, where they use the finger choil and choke up a bit, or just the handle. Can't get mad at either grip. Feels nice. And the action is really nice on this. I mean, for 40 bucks, dude, this is a good looking knife. They make it in a couple different colorways, but I've never checked out shredded G10 before. I think that's cool, man. I think it gives it just a little bit of pop, a little bit of depth going on in there, you know. So yeah, man, 40 bucks, can't beat it with a stick. I'll let you guys know. I'll do a full review after I carry this thing for a little while. Let's check the size on this real quick, just so I believe it's about 8 inches. Yeah, pretty much 8 inches on the nose. The blade is just a hair over 3.5, which means the handle is just a little under 4.5. Yeah, just a little under 4.5. So that's it, man. This is it's nice. It's got a thin blade profile in there. Let's see how slicey she is. Oh yeah. Whoops, that was my fault. Damn it. Quit it. Yeah, that's nice stuff. It's got a good cutting geometry to it. I like this a lot, man. This is, like I said, I got the SENCUT Bronte. This one right here, actually. Natural G10 scales. I like that one as well. So I really like what SENCUT's doing for that $40 line. Huge shout out to them for making this thing appear in my hands. They're very cool. They worked with me and made sure I could check out a couple of their new knives coming out. I got a new release Civivi coming out soon, and I just ordered a banger of a Wii knife. It's a collector's line, so that's gonna be a fun video when that thing comes out. So I'll make sure to let you guys know when that thing arrives. Pretty sweet. But I like what Wii, Civivi, and SENCUT are doing right now, man. I have not really been disappointed in any of them that I've checked out so far, and this thing is no exception. This is a nice knife, man. Do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel because it helps out a ton. And if you are subscribed, turn those alerts on so you know when I'm dropping something new, y'all can check it out. I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate all my subscribers, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace, YouTube.